Racing just is started. We have Senior Cricket. Break quickly. Restart Security Joy. Now break. Comes next. Manila's Gem down on the inside. Haywire. Don Alejandro comes next. Then followed by Joel's Choice. High Earnings. The Europa comes next. Alongside comes Big Time. Then next on line with Victory Joe. While Taralets is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader. We have Security Joy by about 2 lengths. Senior Cricket in second. Manila's Gem is racing in third. Moving up now on the outside, Don Alejandro. Now break highs down on the inside. High Earnings, Joel's Choice. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Security Joy by about 2 lengths. Manila's Gem is on the outside second with about 100 meters of the race. Security Joy. Manila's Gem is on the outside, but it's still Security Joy. And finally, Security Joy, Manila's Gem, Joel's Choice. Then comes Don Alejandro, High Earnings, and Europa for your Super 6.
287-911-5.